Hello, it's me again, Kinda Vlogger. On today's video, we're gonna go for our thrift store haul. Let's go. So we went to one of the branch of Salvation Army thrift store here in North Vancouver, and then we just scrolled through the store, and I found this Columbia jacket. Too expensive, so pass. So I went to children's clothing. I found nice one there. Then pay for everything, get 20% discount because we donated something. And then let's go. First is our pants. I like it because it's a loose one and there's a lot of pockets. Next is this Calvin Klein sleeve shirt, so it's nice when it's summer, then it's really mommy vibe. And we have New Balance leggings. Okay, we're gonna go for exercise store. Nice because it has some pockets. And then we got Sarah pants. Good na ko gamay pero madara. So mura ko nindot og lawas diha. Next is a Dynamite dress pants. So it's nice whenever I go to church. Next is this Jessica Simpson vest and also Sunday's best skirt. So lakas maka teenager oy. Lastly but not the least are the toddlers clothes. Get some rain jacket, polo shirt, jacket, baby girl, and also the summer polo. And that's all for today. Bye.